In this episode of the Cubing Challenges series, I'm gonna solve a 3x3 using only 4 fingers. So if you don't know, there's a thread on speedsolving.com called Dumb Cubing Challenges where people suggest cubing challenges, and this series, which I already have an episode up, this is the second episode, is going through people's ideas and seeing which ones I can do. So this episode's challenge is to solve a 3x3 using only 4 fingers. So I don't know if that means like one-handed or like two-handed, but 2 fingers on each or 4 fingers on each. But what I'm gonna do is do a two-handed solve, but without my thumb, like 4 fingers on each hand, and then I might do a one-handed solve with the same thing. So I'm gonna get the masking tape here, and I guess just tape these 2 fingers together so that I can't use my thumb, and it's gonna be even harder doing it to this hand. So I got my thumbs wrapped in tape, and I already got the cube scrambled, and I'm gonna have a timer up here or somewhere in the video, and I'm gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is actually a pretty easy cross. Okay, I got the cross done, and there's actually an F2L pair that's in. Now on to the second F2L pair. This is actually a pretty easy scramble, so this might be like a below average time for me. Okay. And a third F2L pair. Oh wait, no, that's the wrong pair. Okay, looks like I'm doing the green and orange pair. This actually feels a lot like doing a foot solve, like you can't really lift the cube off the table, and you just start doing like simple turns and rotations. Okay, I got the third F2L pair. And F2L is actually almost done. It's done now. I don't know what time it's at because I'm not actually timing this in real time. I'm gonna add the timer after later. And OLL, almost finished. This V perm is pretty hard, I think so. Maybe I should have done like a Y perm or something, like a 2-look PLL. No, wait, I think I got it. Oh wait, no, I messed that up. I don't know exactly what I did wrong, but I messed something up. And okay, I almost finished with F2L for the second time. Just make sure both cameras are recording. Okay. I'm done with OLL, or I'm not done with OLL, wait, great, I was in the middle of an OLL, and I forgot which one. Okay, I gotta start that over. Okay, it was this one. And, oh, a PLL skip. Done. So that was actually like a pretty easy solve. But now I'm going to go for the second part of this video, which is solving it with just one hand. So I guess I can take the tape off of this hand so I can scramble it. We'll scramble it with this hand, just like a hand scramble. Okay. And I'm going to solve it with just this hand with 4 fingers. And I'm going to start right now. This is going to be impossible. Here, I'll do white cross. Why not? I think I have on the turning style down. If I just do this, hopefully this tape doesn't come loose, because I feel my hands getting kind of sweaty because of all this tape. Okay, cross is finished. And I got the F12 pair in. This is actually going pretty quickly. I thought it would take a lot longer. And things like this happen where you turn things you don't want it to. I actually did use my thumb there, I think, a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna try to not do that from now on. Turn this the other way. Oh wait, that was the wrong way. Yeah, I need to do that over. This is so much harder than the first challenge. Okay. Okay. I got the second F12 pair. How would I do this case? Maybe if I try lifting it off the table, that'll work better for at least a couple turns. Oh, okay, not really. Just gotta solve this one. What I'm doing is kind of using my middle finger and pointer finger to do some like basic turning like that, just like closing them together to make it turn. Okay, one more F2L pair left. This one's a pretty hard case. Actually, you can do this in a few moves. Let's do a sledgehammer here. This seems easier than the other insert. Then OLL. And oh, this one requires wide moves, which might be hard to do here. Okay. How is this one? Alright. Yeah, you lose that muscle memory when you do things like this, because you're not used to the turning style, and I'm not sure I'm doing this correctly. Oh wait, I might be. I think it's just like this, this, and this. Okay, PLO. I'm gonna do the way I normally don't do it. And, it's like this, I think, right? Yeah. Great, I need to turn this. This challenge is proving to be a lot harder than I thought. At least this version, the one-handed with 4 fingers version. Oh, then it's like 3 more moves, only 1. Okay, and last turn. I'm just gonna do it like this, and I'm finished. So I don't know what time that was, but it probably took a long time. And that was this challenge. I'm gonna take this tape off my hands finally. That was on there for like 10 minutes. That was this challenge, and make sure to subscribe to see my next challenge video, which I'm not sure which one that'll be yet, but it's coming soon, and I'll see you in my next video.